Solve all your garage door problems with one simple call. Garage door not working smoothly, or not at all? Are you looking for a fast and affordable way to eliminate the hassle? No need to lose your head over it, but don't take it lying down. Call Cost Less Garage Door Repair today. We'll set it straight. Everybody loves spring break, but there's no fun when torsion springs break. Call Cost Less Garage Door Repair. Let us spring into action. Experienced a controller failure? Remotes are one of our specialties. Call Cost Less Garage Door Repair and get everything under control. Gone off track? Rollers fail? Call Cost Less Garage Door Repair. You'll be back on track in no time. No, not that track, you high roller. Garage door track and rollers. That old opener not able to get the door up anymore? Call Cost Less Garage Door Repair right away. We'll repair or replace your opener as necessary. The professional, experienced team at Cost Less can solve any problem. Well, any garage door problem. Now servicing all makes and models in the Northern California area. For 24/7 emergency service, rapid response, and guaranteed work. Let Cost Less Garage Door Repair help you today. Why not do it now? You can solve all your garage door problems with one simple call. Cost Less Garage Door Repair. Call us now.